it out. Now that was interesting too. We were in sport mode, and as it was landing, if you've seen on the screen, it put it in normal mode, but now that it's landed, it's still in sport mode. That's interesting too. So let's check the drone. Okay, we're checking the props. We did have an error come up for the props, so I don't know whether something just touched the props and it was sensitive, it picked it up. But taking a look at the props, I don't see any cracks. I don't see, yeah, see for yourself, guys. There's no cracks, no damage. But that did come up on the screen there. Did come up on the screen that something happened with the props there. Thank God nothing happened. Anyways, guys, let's stick another battery in, and we'll do just, I think, one more battery. My hands are literally freezing.